A convicted murderer and rapist from Clay County who was on death row awaiting execution has died. We want to warn you, the details of his crime are disturbing. The News4JAX I-team has confirmed with the Department of Corrections that Donald Davidson died at Union Correctional Institution in Rayford. According to the medical examiner, the preliminary autopsy report indicates the cause was suicide. Davidson pleaded guilty to killing Roseanne Welsh in her Middleburg home in 2014, then kidnapping and raping her 10-year-old daughter. News4JAX I-team investigator Vic Michelucci tells us the woman's widower still doesn't believe he has received justice.
Things will never be the same for this local father. His wife killed, his daughter abducted and sexually assaulted. But he says Davidson's death in custody does bring some relief.
That was Rosie before, this is Rosie now. Okay, there it is.
Michael Scott will never forget what Donald Davidson did to his family.
120-pound woman in there, 120-pound woman in a bag.
It's been 8 years since Davidson, a convicted sex offender, cut off his ankle monitor, then killed Roseanne Welsh, a family friend. He kidnapped her 10-year-old daughter, raping her before she got away.
How is your daughter doing?
Resilient. She is a very strong young woman.
Davidson pleaded guilty and was sentenced to death in 2019. But the I-team has learned this week he killed himself while on death row.
How do you feel about the news that he's dead?
Good riddance. That's about all I can say. I mean, what am I supposed to feel? Some kind of heartfelt sympathy for the man? No, I didn't. I don't, and I won't. Neither will my kids. My daughter don't have to live in fear no more. Okay, my daughter don't have to just sit there and think, is this guy going to get out because he gets to appeal his case in the state of Florida?
Scott says his family's tragedy was preventable. Davidson had been released on child molestation charges just months before the murder. He spent less than 5 years in prison before home detention.
What could have been done differently?
What could have been? They could have prosecuted him properly by the legislative laws that had been put into place. They broke me, but I'm still here, and I'm still going to kick. My kids are going to live, and they're going to see that they had a father that was there for them the whole time through thick and thin, no matter what, just as much as they were there for me.
Scott continues to call on lawmakers to help make sure something like this doesn't happen again.
Scott's daughter, whom Davidson kidnapped and raped, is about to graduate from high school this month. After that, she's gotten into college, and she wants to work with law enforcement to catch child predators. I'm Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.